The importance of meeting your go-live date in NetSuite migration. Embarking on a journey to NetSuite migration is a substantial undertaking, demanding meticulous planning and execution. Today we want to shine the light on that pivotal go-live date. This is not just a simple entry in your calendar, but is the moment your new system officially becomes operational, marking the beginning of tracking your critical data within NetSuite. But why is staying on track with a go-live date so crucial for your business? It's not just about being punctual. It's a strategic move to maintain momentum and stakeholder confidence. By adhering to this deadline, you keep your internal teams and external stakeholders aligned with the plan changes. However, what if there are delays to the go-live date? Our certified NetSuite-CPAs at Fusion-CPA have identified potential issues. They range from data integrity problems to operational disruptions. Delays can lead to unforeseen expenses and logistical challenges affecting your business's bottom line. Our CPAs have seen it all, and they stress the importance of adhering to your set go-live date. Wondering how to ensure a smooth transition? Let's explore some practical strategies. Firstly, ensure thorough pre-planning. Rigorous system testing and user training are crucial for a seamless transition. Identify and resolve potential issues in the pre-planning phase to minimize disruptions during the actual go-live. Secondly, clear communication is key. Keeping all stakeholders informed about progress and potential challenges fosters transparency, builds confidence, and allows for timely adjustments if needed. Thirdly, contingency planning is a must. Prepare for unforeseen challenges to address potential issues before they escalate, ensuring your migration stays on track even when hurdles arise. And fourthly, work with an experienced CPA. Partnering with a NetSuite-trained CPA like those at Fusion-CPA mitigates risks. Our CPAs take proactive measures to ensure timely and successful migration, minimizing the impact on your operations. Our team of CPAs isn't just NetSuite certified. They bring extensive experience in helping clients across various industries with migration. We offer not only technical proficiency, but also a strategic approach to the migration process. Having expert support is your safety net during critical phases such as the go-live. We invite you to schedule a discovery call for best practices to ensure a smooth migration process. Let us be your trusted partner in achieving financial success.